Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about an exciting letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter E. E is the fifth letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many exciting words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet E. An elephant is a big, gray animal with a long, flexible trunk that it uses to pick up food, drink water, and explore its surroundings. It has large, floppy ears that help it stay cool and big, strong legs for walking. Elephants also have big, curved tusks made of ivory. They live in forests, grasslands, and savannas and are known for being gentle and smart. Elephants travel in groups called herds and are very social animals. When you see the letter E, think of the elephant, a majestic and friendly giant with a special trunk and big ears. An eagle is a powerful bird known for its sharp eyes and strong wings. It has a big, hooked beak that helps it catch and eat its food, which often includes fish or small animals. Eagles have strong talons, which are their sharp claws, and they can fly high in the sky with their large wings. They build big nests called eyries on tall trees or cliffs. Eagles are great at spotting things from far away and are very skilled hunters. When you see the letter E, think of the eagle, a majestic bird that soars high and has impressive hunting skills. An eel is a long, slippery fish that lives in the water. It has a smooth, snake-like body and can be found in oceans, rivers, and lakes. Eels are great swimmers and use their wiggly bodies to move through the water. They can be different colors, like brown or green, and some have shiny, bright scales. Eels like to hide in places like rocks, coral, or underwater plants. They often come out at night to hunt for food. When you see the letter E, think of the eel, a fascinating and twisty fish that swims gracefully through the water. An emu is a large, flightless bird from Australia. It has long legs and a tall, slender body covered in fluffy, brown feathers. Emus are the second largest birds in the world, right after ostriches, and they can run very fast. They have a long neck and a small head with big, curious eyes. Emus like to live in groups called mobs and often wander around looking for food like seeds and plants. When you see the letter E, think of the emu, a unique and speedy bird that loves to roam and explore its Australian home. An elk is a large, gentle animal that lives in forests and meadows. It has big, strong legs and a broad, brown body. Male elks, called bulls, have impressive antlers that they use during special times of the year to show off and find mates. Elks have large, dark eyes and big, rounded ears. They like to eat grass, leaves, and plants. Elks are often seen in groups called herds and are known for their loud, distinctive calls. When you see the letter E, think of the elk, a majestic and peaceful animal that roams the wild with its impressive antlers. An electric kettle is a kitchen tool used to boil water quickly. It looks like a shiny, round pot with a handle and a spout. When you fill it with water and turn it on, the electric kettle heats up the water until it starts to bubble and steam. It has a special switch that turns off the kettle automatically once the water is hot, so you don't have to worry about it boiling over. Electric kettles are great for making tea, hot chocolate, or instant soup. When you see the letter E, think of the electric kettle, a helpful appliance that makes hot water fast and easy. An electric kettle is a kitchen tool used to boil water quickly. It looks like a shiny, round pot with a handle and a spout. When you fill it with water and turn it on, the electric kettle heats up the water until it starts to bubble and steam. It has a special switch that turns off the kettle automatically once the water is hot, so you don't have to worry about it boiling over. Electric kettles are great for making tea, hot chocolate, or instant soup. When you see the letter E, think of the electric kettle, a helpful appliance that makes hot water fast and easy. An egg is a round or oval-shaped food with a smooth shell. Inside, it has a clear liquid called egg white and a yellow part called the yolk. Eggs come from chickens and are used in many recipes, like omelets, cakes, and cookies. They can be cooked in different ways, such as boiling, frying, or scrambling. Eggs are packed with nutrients that help you stay strong and healthy. When you see the letter E, think of the egg, a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many delicious ways. An eggplant is a purple or black vegetable that looks like an egg but is much bigger and has a shiny skin. It has a smooth, firm texture and is often used in cooking. Inside, it is white and spongy. Eggplants can be cooked in many ways, such as grilling, baking, or frying. They are used in dishes like eggplant parmesan or stir-fries. Eggplants are healthy and help make meals tasty and colorful. When you see the letter E, think of the eggplant, a unique vegetable that adds a fun twist to your favorite recipes. Endive is a crunchy, leafy vegetable with a slightly bitter taste. It has long, narrow leaves that are usually green or sometimes reddish. You can eat endive raw in salads or cook it to make dishes like soups or sauces. Its leaves are crisp and fresh, adding a unique flavor to meals. Endive helps you stay healthy because it has vitamins and is good for your body. When you see the letter E, think of endive, a special vegetable that adds a crunchy and tasty touch to your food. Eggnog is a creamy, sweet drink often enjoyed during special holidays like Christmas. It is made with milk, cream, eggs, and sugar, and sometimes flavored with spices like nutmeg or cinnamon. Eggnog can be served cold or warmed up, and it's sometimes topped with a sprinkle of spice. It's a fun and festive drink that many people like to enjoy with their family and friends. When you see the letter E, think of eggnog, a delicious and holiday-themed drink that makes special occasion extra cozy and joyful. Egg rolls are tasty, crunchy snacks that are usually filled with vegetables, meat, and sometimes eggs. They are wrapped in a thin, doughy skin and then fried until they are golden brown and crispy. Egg rolls are often served with dipping sauces and can be found in many Chinese restaurants. They are a fun and delicious treat that you can enjoy as a snack or with a meal. When you see the letter E, think of egg rolls, a yummy and crispy food that's perfect for sharing and enjoying with friends and family. Earmuffs are a cozy accessory worn on your ears to keep them warm in cold weather. They have two soft, padded cups that cover your ears and a band that goes over your head to hold them in place. Earmuffs come in different colors and designs and are often made from warm materials like wool or faux fur. They help protect your ears from the chilly wind and snow. When you see the letter E, think of earmuffs, a warm and comfy item that helps keep your ears snug and toasty on cold days. Elbow pads are protective gear worn on your elbows to keep them safe while you play or skate. They look like small, cushioned shields that wrap around your elbows with straps to keep them in place. Elbow pads are made of soft, padded material and help prevent bumps and scrapes if you fall or bump into something. They are especially useful for activities like biking, skating, or sports. When you see the letter E, think of elbow pads, a helpful and protective accessory that keeps your elbows safe and comfortable while you have fun. An eye mask is a soft, comfortable cover that you wear over your eyes. It helps block out light so you can sleep better, especially if it's too bright. Eye masks are often made from materials like cotton or silk and have a stretchy band to hold them in place. Some eye masks even have a cool or warm side to help you relax. They are useful for getting a good night's sleep or taking a nap. When you see the letter E, think of an eye mask, a cozy accessory that helps you rest and relax by keeping the light away from your eyes. The ear is a special part of your body that helps you hear sounds. It has a unique shape with a curved outer part called the earlobe and a canal that leads to the inside where sound is processed. Your ears can hear everything from music and voices to the sounds of nature. They help you listen and enjoy the world around you. Your ears also help you keep your balance. When you see the letter E, think of the ear, a wonderful part of your body that helps you hear and experience all the amazing sounds in your life. The elbow is the part of your arm where it bends. It is like a joint that connects your upper arm to your lower arm. When you bend your arm, you use your elbow to help make that movement. The elbow helps you do things like lift your hand to wave or pick up objects. It has a bony part that you can feel when you touch it. The elbow is important for many everyday activities and helps your arm move smoothly. When you see the letter E, think of the elbow, the special part of your arm that bends and helps you move. The eye is a special part of your body that helps you see everything around you. It is shaped like a round ball and has a colored part called the iris and a black center called the pupil. The eye lets light in and sends pictures to your brain so you can recognize and understand what you are looking at. Your eyes help you see colors, shapes, and movements. They are very important for seeing and enjoying the world. When you see the letter E, think of the eye, a wonderful organ that helps you see and explore all the amazing things around you. The eyebrow is a part of your face located above your eyes. It's made of hair that grows in a curved line and helps protect your eyes from sweat and rain. Eyebrows also help show how you feel, like when you are surprised or happy, they move up or down. They come in different shapes and colors, just like your hair. Eyebrows can also help make your face look expressive and unique. When you see the letter E, think of the eyebrow, a special feature on your face that helps protect your eyes and shows your emotions. An electric car is a vehicle that runs on electricity instead of gasoline. It has a big battery inside that powers a motor, making it move. You can charge the battery by plugging the car into an electric outlet, just like you charge a phone. Electric cars are quite smooth and better for the environment because they don't produce pollution. They come in different shapes and sizes, just like regular cars. When you see the letter E, think of the electric car, a cool and eco-friendly vehicle that uses electricity to take you places. An electric bike, or e-bike, is a bicycle that has a motor powered by a battery to help you pedal. It looks like a regular bike but can go faster and make riding up hills easier. You can charge the battery by plugging it into an electric outlet. E-bikes are great for getting around town quickly and without getting too tired. They are fun to ride and help you go longer distances with less effort. When you see the letter E, think of the electric bike, a handy and exciting way to ride with a little extra power. An elevator is a machine that helps people move up and down in tall buildings. It's like a small room with doors that open and close. You press buttons to choose which floor you want to go to, and the elevator takes you there quickly and safely. Elevators make it easy for everyone, especially people with heavy bags or those who can't use stairs, to reach different levels. They can be found in places like malls, offices, and apartments. When you see the letter E, think of the elevator, a helpful machine that moves you up and down with ease. An excavator is a big, powerful machine used in construction to dig and move heavy materials like dirt and rocks. It has a large arm with a bucket at the end that can scoop and lift. The excavator sits on tracks or wheels and can rotate in a circle to reach different areas. It's used to make holes for building foundations, roads, and other structures. Excavators help make construction work faster and easier. When you see the letter E, think of the excavator, a strong and helpful machine that digs and moves heavy things to build our world.